Hello, I am Rafaela. I am from Brazil. I am 28 years old and I came here to Germany like 1 year and a half ago. My purpose to come to Germany is that I came for an internship with 1 year contract. It was amazing. I was working in English, but after my contract ended, I started to look for jobs to keep building my career here. And at some point I realized that I needed German. So that's why I looked for Studienkolleg Düsseldorf so I could improve my German, learn better, more professionally, and of course to try to find new opportunities in the job market and so on. When I came to Germany, my German level was A0. I could only speak Hallo and Entschuldigung. And then with the time I tried to learn a little bit on my own with apps, maybe with videos on internet, but it was a very slow process. So when I came to Studienkolleg Düsseldorf, I already had the A2 that I learned it on my own, and then here I started to do the B1 and B2 course. That was very good for me because after that I could already go to the street, order coffee, to speak with people in supermarket. I could understand things at the Hauptbahnhof, so it was very good that I did this choice in my life. What surprised me the most about studying here at Studienkolleg Düsseldorf was on how fast I could learn everything. And I think that the reason why is that every day we needed to do a lot of homework. So it was very intensive and I think that was really helpful for my journey. One moment that I realized, wow, I am improving, was once that I had to call my health insurance company and I asked them if they could speak in English and they said, no, we don't speak in English. So I breathed and then I went with the German that I had and I managed to solve the problem. So this gave me a lot of confidence to keep speaking German in other occasions as well. When I started my journey with Studienkolleg Düsseldorf, I wanted to improve my German to have better and more job opportunities. Now I have already got a job, which I'm very proud of, and I feel more confident to speak with people whenever I need. So my tip for you, in case you are seeking to study German for a job interview, is to do maybe some mock interview with a friend, with some AI tool, so you can familiarize yourself with the typical vocabulary and also with the typical job interview questions. So my journey here has come to an end. I am very proud of myself. And if I have to recommend you for any German course, I have no other place than Studienkolleg Düsseldorf.